Good morning, friends. It is the weekend of Thanksgiving, and I am not camping. So hey friends, generally speaking, the weekend of Thanksgiving is one of the best weekends of the year to go camping. The weather is usually beautiful. This is one of those weekends. It's Saturday. It's supposed to be 75 degrees today. I'm not camping though because my van is in the shop. I'm going to do a van update video as soon as I get that van out of the shop. But just to let you know, putting the vehicle in neutral, it worked once. So back to the drawing board. The good thing though is this time when it didn't start and left me stranded at a campground and I got it towed, it didn't start when it came off the tow truck. That is great news. So for the first time ever, it's not starting in front of a mechanic. So I didn't get it to them until Monday. And it was Monday of Thanksgiving and they were really booked up. But they told me they would try to work me in. They did, but they couldn't get the part in time. So anyway, it is what it is. I'm enjoying a little staycation. So I thought I would take this opportunity since I'm, kind of bored and have nothing else to do, to come out here to the lake, and I'm going to fly my drone a little bit and answer some questions. Nana Pam tagged me in this little challenge that's been going around. There's 14 questions so that you can get to know me better. So let's just jump right into them. Question number 1, beer or wine? Yes, please. Question number 2, are you a flirt? Not anymore. I'm too old for all that. Question number 3 is probably the hardest. It's asking, what's the weirdest thing I've ever seen? Yeah, I don't know. Back when I was about 18 years old, I lived in an apartment with a couple of friends, and they were just absolutely sure it was haunted. So one night, we pulled up in front of the apartment, and we could all swear that the curtains opened a little bit and then closed. So we didn't even get out of the car. We put it in reverse and went to my friend's sister's house for the night. We moved out of that apartment not long after that because there was just so much weird stuff going on. It seemed like things were getting moved around and stuff. Now, I don't know if my roommates and I were just all spooking the heck out of each other or if something was really going on, but that was probably the weirdest thing I ever saw. Number 4, do I cry in public? When necessary, sure. I'm not afraid. Number 5, do you have a stalker? Well, I'm glad that that was worded that way and not, are you a stalker? So I can just answer this, no. Number 6, what is my favorite food? I love spaghetti. It's always been my favorite food since I was a little kid, and there's still just nothing better. I love it. Spaghetti and meatballs. Yum. Question number 7, do you sing or dance in the car? When necessary, definitely. In fact, I used to have a cymbal hung on my rearview mirror so I could play the drums on the steering wheel and hit that cymbal when I needed to. Yeah, I need to get a new cymbal. I think I knocked that one off. Question number 8. What's under my bed? Well, what's under my bed in my van is about 11 gallons of water, 2 heaters, a fan, a bunch of tools, a tent, a whole bunch of stuff. Number 9. Have you ever laughed at the wrong moment? I am absolutely sure I have. There's a thing called nervous laughter too that's kind of automatic, but probably the worst is when you think somebody's telling you a joke and they're not, and you laugh and you're like, oh crap, they're not kidding. So yeah, sure, I've done that. Question number 10, do I have any piercings? I do. I have my ears pierced, but I just don't hardly ever wear earrings. Number 11, what was my first celebrity crush? Well, that would probably have to be Donny Osmond when I was really little. My first big one was Paul Stanley of Kiss. I was a huge, huge Kiss fan, for sure. Number 12, would I marry a celebrity? Well, I'm going to have to say probably not. I'm not really looking to get married to anybody. So, yeah, no. Would I hang out with one? Most definitely, if they're cool. So anyway, that's the 14 questions. I hope you had fun with it. I know I did, and thank you, Nana Pam, for tagging me in that. So now I guess I'm supposed to tag 3 other people. 3 people that I would like to get to know a little bit better, find out more about. So I'm going to have to give that some thought and get back to you. Question number 5. Do you have a stalker? Not anymore. I think I did away with them all. Do I sing or dance in the car? When necessary, I even headbang. What are y'all doing? Shouldn't you be out collecting nuts or something? Winter's coming, guys.